Winters are incomplete without my favorite Gajar Halwa. Gajar Halwa without sugar, without milk and without ghee. Is it possible? Keep watching Vegan Carrot Halwa recipe. Namaskaram. I am Sujata, an educator in biology and environmental science, a health and wellness consultant and your host on Munch Mull. This episode is dedicated to my special vegan subscribers who had requested me for vegan recipes. I had no clue that I could make Gajar Halwa without milk, sugar and ghee. As all of you know, I never use white sugar in my recipes, but I tend to use jaggery. But this carrot halwa is without jaggery also. Can you believe? It's my first time try and it's come out extremely delicious. I'm so glad. So let's look at the ingredients required to make our vegan carrot halwa recipe. I've taken about 2 cups of grated carrot, 3 cups of coconut milk, about 15 to 18 dates soaked in a cup of warm water for about 2 hours, 5 tablespoons of coconut oil, some almonds, you can use nuts of your choice, and a teaspoon of elaichi powder or cardamom. I've taken a medium-sized coconut to get 3 cups of coconut milk, and the process of how to extract the coconut milk is given in the link above of my vegan pumpkin soup recipe. Carrots are a good source of fiber and carotenoids, which are powerful antioxidants. Carrots also provide minerals like calcium, phosphorus, iron and magnesium. Dates are an excellent source of natural sugar, fiber, iron and other micronutrients. And by the way, vitamin C in dates helps in the absorption of iron. So here I am removing the seeds after soaking the dates in water for about 2 hours. And if you are using seedless dates, then there is no issue. Add a little water for pureeing, and rest of it you can drink it up. So let's puree this now. Add water a little bit so that it is smooth. So here it's a smooth paste. So take a heavy bottomed kadhai. I have taken a pressure pan. Heat it, and first let's add the coconut milk. Now let's add the grated carrot, and initially let it be on high. Once the milk starts boiling, then we'll reduce the flame to sim and we will slow cook the carrot in coconut milk. So for 2 cups of grated carrot, 3 cups of coconut milk. So you can see that the coconut milk has started to boil. So now I am going to reduce the flame and we will slow cook it for about 10 minutes. The milk will tend to, look split, but it's fine. Just continue the cooking process for about 10 to 15 minutes on sim flame. So keep giving it an occasional stir once in a while. Again stir, you can see that the volume of milk has reduced and it's slightly thickening. So here the slow cooking, it is thickened, and at this stage let's add the dates puree. Now this has taken almost about 15 minutes. Here I am adding the dates puree and let it cook for another 10 minutes. Now here the dates you can adjust according to the sweetness that you require. Carrots have their own inherent sweetness. Coconut milk is sweet. So here see the color of the halwa has changed, it's become thick. At this stage I will add the coconut oil. Add it gradually, give it a stir. So here it is thickened up. I am adding some more oil, what was remaining, and I have kept little to roast the nuts. So as our halwa is cooking, I am taking the last bit of coconut oil and roasting the almonds. Roasting of nuts is not essential, it is a choice. You can add it without roasting also. I prefer roasting it. So now I'll remove this. It has turned golden brown. So here our vegan carrot halwa is ready. So I'm switching off the gas, adding the elaichi powder and the roasted nuts. Some we'll keep for garnishing. What a delicious aroma. Our vegan carrot halwa is ready. So here's the first spoon of my vegan carrot halwa being tasted by my taste master, my hubby. Here, dekh kaisa hai.
Wow, I can't believe it is so tasty.
Now it's my turn. I can't wait to taste it.
First time a vegan gajar ka halwa. Wow.
Can't believe this. Can people with diabetes have this carrot halwa? Let's mull over it. Refined or white sugar gives you nothing but empty calories. So having sweets made with refined sugar coupled with a low fiber and a high carb diet, also along with low physical activity, leads to insulin resistance. That is one of the main causes of type 2 diabetes. In our recipe of carrot halwa today, we have used carrots and dates which are high in fiber, and because of this, they release the natural sugars in a very gradual way, avoiding sugar spikes. So I think you got your answer. Diabetics can definitely have this halwa in moderation. To sum up, a person with diabetes has to take care of the following aspects. His or her diet has to be rich in fiber, moderate in carbohydrates. It's best to avoid refined white sugar and use natural sweeteners like honey, dates or raisins. And last but not the least, regular physical activity is a must. Were these insights useful? And when are you planning to try out this vegan carrot halwa recipe? And if you like this episode, don't forget to click the like button and share it with your friends and relatives. Hey, have you subscribed to Munch Mull? Do click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon to receive notifications of my newest videos uploaded every Saturday.